What can you say?
Thank you, Daddy, kasi sa lahat nito ay kapag wala ka, ay hindi tayo makakapunta dito.
And also, Mommy.
Yes.
What are you feeling right now?
Happy.
Happy and?
Happy and masaya.
That's the same. You look outside. What can you see outside?
I can see 1,000 billion trees. Ikot na tayo?
Yes. Take off na tayo, anak. You look outside.
We're moving.
There is.
Guys, nag-flight na tayo. Nag-cut kasi yung video ko kanina. Kasi naglalakad pa tayo doon sa...
You look outside, there is.
Guys, there's quadrillion trees. Even though that's not even a number. Guys, ang daming ilaw. Red, blue, yellow, tsaka green ata. Yellow. Why is there no light? Still no light.
You look outside.
One, two, and this is the 3, and it's the 4. 4, 5, 6.
Get up. Mami. Wala, hindi masyadong maano yung ilaw na yun. Mas maganda yung cellphone mo. We'll take off na.
We'll take off na. We'll take off.
Yes,
Why
look
is it
outside.
so loud?
Yes, you look outside. You look outside.
Why is it so loud, guys?
Yes, because we will take off. Look outside, Iris.
Okay, so fast. Ang fast pala ng airplane.
Okay, you look outside.
Kapag ako nahilo, magsusuka ako.
Iris. Iris.
Wow, ang daming building. That's kabillion, hahelian, kabillion.
Iris.
Oh my God. Oh, wait.
Nagpuyat tayo.
Cloud is only smoke, guys.
Yes.
Just, oh God. Oh God. We're in the clouds. Guys, but suddenly, wait guys, tulog muna ako ah.
Okay. Oh, we're in the clouds. Look outside.
Kunin mo yung
Look
clouds.
outside, Iris. Iris.
Huh?
Look outside. There's clouds.
Wait.
Ngayon is